Welcome back to Let's Go Tagalog, your friendly guide to the beauty and richness of the Filipino language. Whether you're curious, just starting, or already learning, I'm here to help make Tagalog clear and fun. All levels, all ages, no pressure, just discovery. If you've been with me from the beginning, you've already unlocked the Tagalog grammar in a nutshell. That powerful combo of sentence structure, markers, focus, affixes, aspects, and enclitics. Then, in the following episodes, we sharpened your sound game with Tagalog pronunciation, from vowels and the tricky NG to stress, rhythm, and everything in between. Now it's time to take the next big step. In this video, we're diving into how Tagalog words are formed. We'll explore root words, affixes, and how meanings shift and build like puzzle pieces. If you've ever wondered why kain becomes kumain or how bili turns into bilhin, this is the episode for you. Let's unlock the building blocks of Tagalog together. Ready? Tara na! Let's go Tagalog! Number 1. The power of root words. Every Tagalog word begins with a root, the heart of the language. Roots are simple, like araw or gabi, but they're packed with potential. Mastering these roots is your treasure map because from them, we'll build a whole world of words. One cool trick? Repeat the root to show repetition or intensity. Check these out. Araw becomes araw-araw. Gabi turns into gabi-gabi. Taon doubles to taon-taon. Buwan shifts to buwan-buwan. Say them with me. Araw-araw, gabi-gabi, taon-taon, buwan-buwan. Feels like a rhythm, right? Roots are your building blocks. Know them and you're unstoppable. Number 2, combining roots for new words. Roots can team up like partners on a quest. When they combine, they form compound words, and there are two types: incomplete and complete. Incomplete compounds keep meanings tied to the roots, while complete ones create something brand new. Sounds might shift a bit for smoothness. Let's hit the trail and check them out. Here are some combos. Incomplete compounds. Bahay plus kubo equals bahay kubo. Araw plus gabi, araw-gabi. Silid plus aral, silid-aralan. Complete compounds. Balik plus bayan, balik-bayan. Anak plus pawis, anak-pawis. Hanap plus buhay, hanap-buhay. Notice how Bahay Kubo keeps both roots clear, while Balikbayan transforms into something fresh. Try them. Bahay Kubo, Araw-gabi, Silid-aralan, Balikbayan, Anak Pawis, Hanap Buhay. You're a compound word trailblazer now. Number 3, the magic of affixes. Now the real adventure kicks off with affixes, little word changers that stick to roots. They can pop up at the beginning, middle, or end, shaping nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Mastering these is your golden key to fluency. Let's transform ganda with affixes. Ka plus ganda plus an, kagandahan. Plus ganda, gumanda. Ma plus ganda, maganda. Pa plus ganda plus in, pagandahin. Say them. Kagandahan, gumanda, maganda, pagandahin. See the magic? Let's have more examples. Mag plus luto, magluto. Pag plus duplication of the first syllable of the root plus aral, pag-aaral. Nakaka plus tuwa, nakakatuwa. Try it. magluto, pag-aaral, nakakatuwa. You're crafting words like a pro. Number 4. Sound changes when combining roots and affixes. Here's a twist on our journey. Sometimes when roots and affixes team up, the sounds shift like a secret code. It's all about making words flow naturally. Let's decode some examples. Check these out. From D to R, madumi becomes marumi. Madamot turns to maramot. Madahas shifts to marahas. Next, we have o to u. Example, asikaso changes to asikasuhin. Dukot becomes dukutin. Next, we have ng to n or m. With pang affix, we have pangsabon turns to pansabon. Pangluto becomes panluto. Pangbahay shifts to pambahay. Pangpito changes to pampito. Try them. Madumi, marumi. Madamot, maramot. Madahas, marahas. Asikaso, asikasuhin. Dukot, dukutin. Pangsabon, pansabon. Pangluto, panluto. Pangbahay, pambahay. Pangpito, pampito. These shifts are your clues to Tagalog's sound magic. Number 5. Disappearing final vowel or first consonant. Sometimes parts of a root vanish like magic when affixes join the party. It's like a disappearing act to keep things sleek. Let's peek at this trick. Here's how it works. Kuha plus in, kunin. The ha disappears. Kuha plus mang, manguha. The K disappears. Bili plus in, bilhin. Bye-bye, final I. Say them. Kunin, manguha, bilhin. It's like root words playing hide and seek with affixes. Number 6. Adding H or N with in and an affixes. One more twist. When a root ends in a vowel without a glottal stop, affixes like in and an sneak in an H or N for smoother landing. It's like a bridge between sounds. Look at these. Talo plus in, talunin. An N bridges it. Sama plus an, samahan. Here's an H. Kanta plus in, kantahin. An H steps in. Basa plus an, basahan. Another H. Try them. Talunin, samahan, kantahin, basahan. That extra sound keeps the rhythm flowing. Why dive deep into roots and affixes? They're the engine of Tagalog. Knowing roots like bili or ganda and tweaking them with affixes lets you whip up nouns, verbs, and adjectives galore. No giant dictionary needed. Spotting araw-araw or bahay kubo in convo or catching sound shifts like madumi and marumi makes you a word detective. It's your superpower for charging ahead in this language quest. Time to flex your word building muscles. I've got a fun challenge for you. Here's a stash of everyday Tagalog root words and some trusty affixes. Your mission? Mix and match them to create real Tagalog words. Affixes are Tagalog's secret sauce. They twist and turn root meanings in awesome ways. Ready to dive in? Let's make some magic. Pause the video, play around, and check your creations against the answers in the description. Share your favorite combo in the comments. I'm so excited to see what you cook up. And that's our word formation adventure for today. You've unlocked root words with araw-araw, combined them into bahay kubo and balikbayan, powered up with affixes like maganda, and cracked sound shifts like marumi and kuning. You're building your Tagalog toolkit step by step. Let's go! Keep practicing, drop your exercise answers below, and tell me your favorite new word. Next time, we're conquering how Tagalog sentences come together. The next epic peek on our journey. Subscribe, hit that bell, let's keep moving forward, and let's go Tagalog. Salamat and see you soon!